This project is super easy to create. It's all about selecting pots that nest. A 3-tiered tower needs 5 pots, 3 visible and 2 are inverted inside the larger pots. This will mean playing around a bit in the nursery before you buy. Select a large base pot, then a pot size that fits neatly inside when turned upside down. It should be tall enough so that its upturned base is a few centimetres lower than the lip of the base pot. All you'll need is pots of your choosing. Landscape grade construction adhesive, not regular as it needs to be water resistant once dry. A glue gun skeleton if you're using big glue tubes, potting mix and your plants. A level can be handy too. Make sure the bases of all pots to be glued are clean and dry before adding a generous amount of adhesive. Firmly push the 2 pot bases together, making sure the drainage holes are aligned. If any adhesive squeezes out the side, just use a damp cloth to wipe it off. Allow the adhesive to set. Place and level the base pot where you intend your feature to live. Carefully position the first glued pot pair in the base pot. Make sure it's level relative to the base pot. Before adding the next tier of pots, fill around the first with potting mix to stabilise it. Now repeat for the second set. If the second set doesn't sit at the right height, you can pack out the base of the first tier pot with some potting mix before positioning and filling around it with mix. Fill the top pot and it's time for planting. I used miniature chrysanthemums for the bottom tiers and a colourful kalanchoe surrounded by cascading dichondrous silver falls for the top. Give it all a good water with a seaweed tonic like sea salt and that's it. Your pot tower is looking stunning and ready to impress your guests.